Minister w'enshonga z'ebyokwerinda Honorable Jacob Oboth Oboth yayanjura abanyeshenjero biri ya UPDF amendments biri y'E2025 kandi yasinduka mu bukiiko bw'ishenjero oburumwaka ebiragirana n'ebyokwerinda okubasa ku bano bakora hampinda hinduka mu bireji nk'uko abaramuzi baragira mu ncomo y'omushango gwa Honorable Michael Kabaziguruka ogwo yahababire government kandi abaramuzi ba Supreme Court bakashaba kuhagira empinda hinduka ezakorwa mu koti y'amahe abantu ba burijo abaru kugezesebwa omukoti ejina n'ebindi.
I beg to move that the bill entitled the Uganda People's Defence Forces Amendment Bill 2025 be read for the first time.
Thank you.
And I want to attach a copy of the Certificate of Financial Implication in accordance with Section 76 of the Public Finance Management Act 2015 as amended, and Rule 124 of the Rules of Procedure of Parliament of Uganda.
Thank you. Pursuant to Rule 129(1) of the Rules of Procedure, the bill stands referred to Committee of Defense and Internal Affairs and the Committee of Legal and Parliamentary, and in furtherance to Rule 200, Sub-Rule 3 of Rules of Parliament, the Chairperson of Legal and Parliamentary Affairs is hereby designated to chair the joint committee.
Bituna bwanyuma abanyishenjero kuruga harubajo rukakanisa government barabara abantu banyishenjero abebi nebindo kwegendesereza hampinda hinduka ziriyo mu itekedi ngo nabo rubasa kuba lyabatwarana
fe kitusinga okuwakanya kubanga koti z'amagezi ze zikozesebwa okutulugunya abantu abatawagira government yeno nti ono awakanya government kama mwala baono bukyagulanya yali mwaruwa ne bakwate mundu ne baziteka mu kisenge kye ne bagamba nti zine mundu yabadde nazo tumutwala mu court martial. Of course eventually byabatabukako ne mundu kati tumanyi wawe zaalaga naye bajja kikozesa bazze bakikozesa ne bagamba nti kakati abantu bano abantu 30 babasanze ne sasirimu ne bajja mu nyumba yo go opposition owo muntu yenna government gwetayagala tikatugenda kukolako search bebuzabuze bagambe nti wano tusanzewo pistol batusanzewo sasirimu ate nga bebazze nalyo bakutwale mu court martial. Court martial etuyina abantu abamaze emyaka n'ebisiibo bayasini machete bakalanzi n'abalala.
Supreme Court n'omuga nti agikuli egenda kusigala ng'ekola byebimu naye bano baagala kwefuula nti bagezi baleke kulabika bubi mu bantu ne nga banyoomoola kooti kye yasalawo lwe lutalo fungula nkete olugendo okubeera wano batubuulire.
Omurusitamo ndwe rumwe speaker w'ishenjere yareko kwetombwitwa aha kitongole kya wax okulemwa kukora emirimo yakyo nk'okuyunura yabire nekora kandi ekireetire za butanduza yiyonjera aha muhanda na n'ebyina byayiyonjera muri Kampala ate nikwe kushaba minisita w'ekitongole eki okureeta ekihandiiko.
We allocated money, there was money we put in wax, which money was out of rationalization, but this money has not been put to use. And because this money has not been put to use, there is a claim that the money has not been released. Yet on 17th April, the House passed a resolution to reallocate a budget.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.